In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check plagiarism on QuillBot 2024. Verify plagiarism on QuillBot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to run a clean scan and understand your results with confidence. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type QuillBot. You should see the official site near the top. Click the result that clearly points to QuillBot.com. This helps you avoid lookalike sites and ensures you're using the real tool. Once you're on QuillBot's homepage, look for the plagiarism checker in the navigation. Give it a click to open the checker page. This tool compares your writing against a large set of web pages and academic sources to flag exact or near-exact matches. Keep in mind that access and word limits can depend on your plan, and you may be asked to sign in or upgrade before scanning longer documents. On the plagiarism checker page, you'll see a large text field. Type or paste the content you want to check. If you're pasting from another app, a quick tip is to paste without formatting to avoid odd characters. Also, only include the text you actually want analyzed, and avoid adding any sensitive information. If your document is very long, consider scanning sections to stay within any word allowance your plan might have. With your text in place, click the button that says Scan Words. The checker counts words because plan usage often tracks by word or page, so double-check your remaining allowance if you're near the limit. After you click, give the tool a moment to work. The scan may take a bit longer for large documents or slower connections, so be patient and let it finish completely. When the results load, you'll typically see a similarity percentage and highlighted passages that match sources online or in databases. Review each highlight and the corresponding source link. Not all matches are bad. Common phrases or properly cited quotes can trigger a match. What you're looking for is any unintentional overlap that isn't quoted or cited. If you spot problematic sections, your next step outside the checker is to revise the wording, add quotation marks for direct quotes, or include proper citations. That's all there is to it. Google QuillBot, open the official site, go to the plagiarism checker, paste your text, click Scan Words, and wait for the analysis to complete. Use the highlights to make smart edits and ensure your writing is original and properly attributed. If this walkthrough helped, follow along next time for more clear, practical tutorials.